My goal is to save the world. And I realized after 15 minutes, that's not how the ER works. That's not how trauma medicine works. But I did know that I could save one little piece at a time. And that's my goal, is to save one little piece whenever I deliver these meals. I'm Chuck Bilyeu, and I deliver meals for Meals on Wheels here in Indianapolis. So I'm a retired ER trauma nurse. I did that for 38 years, and I worked at Community Hospital East, and I also worked downtown at the IU Med Center. So daily, and I mean daily, I saw patients that came in and they just didn't even have the basics. When I retired, I was looking for something to give back to the community. Twice a week, Mondays and Wednesdays, I pick up the meals. And it takes about 2 hours, 15 minutes. By the time I get the meals, get them in my vehicle and drive all around the east side.
So we have 36 different routes that deliver all over Marion County, so in Indianapolis. And we have 9 different hospitals and healthcare facilities that prepare medically tailored meals for our clients. So that makes us unique for a Meals on Wheels. It's very vital because we don't have a kitchen on site. We just have a small pantry, so we can't prepare meals for 36 different routes all over the city. It also helps our volunteers that want to go and deliver to the east side. They can go and pick up at Community East Hospital and not have to come like downtown where our office is. I'm Hope Steele, and I'm the volunteer coordinator at Meals on Wheels of Central Indiana. He answered the call during COVID lockdown. Initially, we lost a lot of volunteers. A lot of our volunteers were in that age range that they said, don't leave your home, don't get outside. So we initially lost a lot of volunteers, but then many of them answered the call like Chuck did, and we're so thankful that he stayed and continues to volunteer.
Well, luckily I have a nice sized Jeep, and all the meals, by the time I get everything done, it pretty much fills up the whole back. Well, it's a great honor. It's, you're recognized for volunteering, and that's obviously not the reason I volunteer, but it's nice. And then free oil change is great for my vehicle, so it keeps running so I can keep delivering my route.
If you would like to get signed up as a client on our program, you can also go to our website at mealsonwheelsindy.org. We do have an online application that you can fill out, or if you want to call in to our phone number, we can do it there as well. So our phone number is 317-252-5558.
It's satisfying that I know that at least that day they will get a meal.